And so, traditionally, when there's something bothersome, we look for a pill, we look for a procedure, we look for something to fix what's broken. And God bless, I mean, who hasn't been to a doctor where that pill or procedure actually did the magic trick? But you're not going to get that with tinnitus. Now, that's not to say that there isn't a place for medication, but the thing is the medication that would be helpful for somebody, and we could talk about anxiety because that should be the focus of if there is anything in anybody's lens as to what to treat, it would be anxiety. But there are pills that can be helpful but there's nothing directly for tinnitus because there's nothing broken. The brain has simply misunderstood a body sensation, and there's no pill that's going to be able to fix that because there's nothing broken.